my lovely assistant is now going to pour water in here. This one's nice because the air outlet is on the
no,
side.
I'm going to use whatever way. This way's easier. Sorry.
Stop.
Sorry.
All right. Luckily, it says drain side. So if your assistant gets extra, you know which way to drain it. Because if you drain it the other way, it will get in the air vent and mess it up. And then we would add some essential oils to this. There. You grab some, please. I thought I had one. We use Young Living Peace and Calm at night, except during allergy season. And then we use RC. I'm not telling you why. That's not compliant. So then you put your oil in. There's a few drops in here.
I think it's 4 for yourself, maybe 2.
3 or 4. Depends how much you like. We use purification if we want to make the house smell. Get rid of smells.
4, I guess.
Drops. Okay, we put this on. Mist. That's always green. Ooh, there's the mist. And if you want a light, here's the light. You can't really see the light in the video, but we can see it really well.
And it smells amazing.
If you're not using Young Living, don't let your kids sniff like that because it's chemical. You know, a lot of them have chemicals in them. So, but if you have a nice, safe one, then you can do that.